Alright guys, check this out. Holy cow. That is metal to metal for sure. Look at that. Going for a drive with this is so noisy and so embarrassing. Metal to metal. The ceramic is gone already. It's gone. This is just over the limit. And here's the other side. This one is still more meat on it. In this case, when it's like metal to metal, who knows, this could be overheating problem now. So we had a brand new caliper just in case. We might able to replace this because this probably won't contract back and forth anymore, because by experience, if you have metal to metal overheats, this probably overheat as well, that the piston inside here won't retract back and forth anymore. So we'll press this thing back inside, see if it moves. Okay, seems like it's gonna move back in. It's not that hard to turn this thing. Looks like we're doing okay. We're not gonna change the caliper on this one. At the store, they asked me if what style of caliper. On the Santa Fe 2014 V6, there's two style of caliper. It's asking about the piston here, if it's a metal piston or aluminum. It's metal piston on this one, and looks like aluminum caliper housing. So make sure to get the right one. Alright guys, so we're just gonna clean this up here. No dust, no rust built up here. We're gonna use a wire brush as well, and then we'll put a brand new rotors and brand new pads right after. It's all ready and prepped now, clean. We got the retainer and bracket pad installed, ready to go right there. Clean the brand new rotor, brake cleans all around, wipe it with dry cloth. So we're gonna install this now. Right, 2 bolts. This is the 14 mil bracket to the knuckle. Okay, we'll install that hand tight. All right, so nice and snug on this one. 14 mil, nice and snug. Same thing on the bottom, nice and snug. There you go. All right, so let's install this pads now. There's one with anti-rattle clips right here. This will go inside, and this other one goes on the outside. But first, let's put some lube on this. Brake lube right there. A little bit dab on the corner. I've seen one that people don't use this lube because it just build up dirt and mud and rocks with this lubricant here. But for me, I always put one in there so they will slide right in. And then when you apply the brake, there's some lubricant that would slide the pads in and out. Alright guys, so we're gonna put the caliper now with this 2 sliding pins right here. I'm gonna clean the other one, just clean rags. Gonna put some lube on this, both side, put some lube. And then the other pins, put some lube as well. Then we're gonna put the bolts. So we're just gonna quickly tighten this up. Same socket, 14 mil on this. Just nice and snug. And then same thing on the bottom. There you go. Let's go for a drive. Just put the tire back on here and then test it out. Let's go for a drive. Make sure there's no noise or grinding or binding or anything. Alright guys, we're gonna torque this to spec. 1316 is the socket. Torque it to 100 foot-pounds on this one. So we're gonna quickly torque them up. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's see if this makes some noise when we go for a test drive. And if it's good, we're set. Alright guys, so I've been driving for a while now. It's about 15-20 minutes drive. Seems like no noise on our caliper and brakes. No noise, no grinding. I could hear road noise mostly. And don't worry about that engine light. I got that thing scanned with my auto. Those are just a bent solenoid malfunction. So far so good. I got the hard braking and soft brake, steady brake. Seems like it grabs. There. Let's quickly take a look in here. Experience on this, if you have a metal to metal grinding noise, is mostly like calipers is shot as well, but we end up not using the caliper. Mostly it's all seized up. The piston is all stuck, but this case it's not, and you can see here by a touch it's not heating up at all. It's not overheating, so that means that it's not stuck with the rotor. This side is okay. That's it. This is a fix. We're bringing back to the owner, and he's gonna be happy that I got to return the caliper. That's it guys, thanks for watching. This is a Hyundai Santa Fe 3.3 V6, and that's it. See you guys again on the next one.